Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so basically, those that know me know that know me personally, they know that I like looking for trouble.
Yes.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to call a few persons and we're going to prank them. Different pranks. So stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leg out. Yeah. Okay, so right now, guys, I'm going to call Mr. Hyenana or Hyenana. Stay tuned. Okay.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Hello? Yeah, good afternoon.
Am I on to Mr. Hyenana?
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, how are you, sir?
I'm good.
I'm Dr. Kola Osho Daniels from the CDC, Chief Virologist. This call is in regard to a evacuation order to pick you up to the isolation center, sir.
So who's this? I'm shooting a video now. I beg you, please. Quite busy now.
Dr. Akin Kola Osho, Chief Virologist. Hello, sir.
You want to pick me to isolation center?
Yes, sir. We have a patient we are actually treating.
If you're coming to pick me, just bring bread, eh?
Okay. Well,
Okay, so he didn't fall for it, but I'm going to call him again.
Oh my days, irú ọmọ wo wá rèé torí Ọlọ́run.
He probably has got that it's a prank, or he's probably scared or something.
hello, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, I'll block this number. Who is this, please?
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir. I'm not sure you heard all I've been saying.
You're talking to who?
Mr. Hyenana.
Yeah, Mr. Hyenana, yeah?
Yes, this is regarding an evacuation order we have to pick you up, sir. We have a patient we are working with here.
Okay.
Can you fuck off?
Okay, so I'm going to call somebody else.